Hey, gamers! Welcome back to Digital Dose Digest. Today, we've got an exciting double feature for you, the Meta Quest 3 and Xbox Cloud Gaming. Buckle up, because this combo is about to change the way you experience gaming. First up, let's talk about the Meta Quest 3. It's not just a headset, it's a portal to a whole new world of virtual reality. With its sleek design and powerful features, the Quest 3 takes immersion to the next level. The visuals are stunning, the controls are intuitive, and the possibilities are endless. Whether you're into gaming, social experiences, or creative adventures, the Meta Quest 3 is your passport to a digital universe. But wait, it gets even better. Pair your Meta Quest 3 with Xbox Cloud Gaming, and you've got a gaming powerhouse in your hands. Xbox Cloud Gaming lets you stream a vast library of Xbox games directly to your Quest 3. It's like having an Xbox console right in your VR world. No downloads, no waiting, just instant gaming gratification. What's even cooler? The compatibility. Whether you're a fan of Xbox controllers, PS4 controllers, or even the Nintendo Switch Pro, the Meta Quest 3 welcomes them all. And guess what's on the horizon? Support for PS5 controllers. The future of gaming is all about choice, and the Meta Quest 3 is at the forefront. But it's not just about gaming. The Meta Quest 3 offers a range of immersive VR environments. Picture this, streaming Xbox games in a larger-than-life setting or exploring Xbox-themed virtual spaces. It's a gaming experience redefined, personalized just for you. And here's the cherry on top, the collaboration between Microsoft and Meta. Beyond gaming, we're talking Microsoft Teams, Office, and Windows experiences in VR. Imagine attending meetings, collaborating on projects, or even navigating your desktop, all within your virtual world. It's a groundbreaking fusion of technology, and we're here for it. There you have it, gamers. The Meta Quest 3 and Xbox Cloud Gaming, a dynamic duo that's redefining the gaming landscape. If you're as hyped as we are, drop a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe for more tech and gaming adventures. Until next time, game on!